That is the Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE with new product to demonstrate. Got here, just got into Amazon delivery via UPS, and it's a left side driver's side mirror, the glass replacement for my Ram 1500 Rebel. So I'm gonna just do a quick little video of how you replace that. Hopefully it goes well, and I'll put the links in the description to the product, and just like, subscribe, comment, and you all have a great day. See you in a minute. As you can see, it's got this shadow right here. Maybe the sun's not showing it, but the mirror's fading. The chemical inside there is just giving out. So we're going to go ahead and replace this. All right, let's get into it. So just tip that forward. Now you can put tape on here, like painter's tape, to keep this from cracking and all that if you were going to save it, and to protect you from shards, but I doubt it's going to do that. But this mirror is failing, so I'm going to be getting rid of it anyway. So let's tip that forward, take a flathead screwdriver, and you want to get down in there. There, jeez. All right, let me try to show you here. So it's hard to see, the sun's in my way, but there's two upper tabs in there. You have to get down there and break those off, and then they got the metal springs, which is in the new one. And then I'll show you, you just lift this back out. Well, one side lifted. There. Oh, jeez. So it's got these two tabs here that you just lift up. These two is what you're trying to snap off. And then these are little support tabs that go up inside these openings here. So now you just undo the wiring for the heater. Possibly. Let's see if we can get this one off. Take that off. Oh, these are on there. Let me get a little pair of pliers. Been on there a while. I'll just leave that one. That's the left one. Crimp that on there. And there we go. Again, I'll put a link in the description for the mirror that I'm putting on. But I don't know if you can tell, but this is the information on it. Again, the sun is so bright I can't see the back of my screen. But anyway, here's the information in case you want to order it on your own. Let's get the new one on. And I just put my fingerprints all over it. Great. But let's put this left one on. Probably highly recommend putting gloves on, so you don't mess your mirror up. But I'm too far into it now. Left. Then we'll do the right one. All right. Rut row. There's not a connector for Alright, this one didn't come with this controller piece, so I'm gonna have to look into that, but for right now we're gonna just put this back on here. Okay, jeez. Anyway, went on there real nice. Pretty sure. So I guess that part was the defroster piece. So I'll have to look into that. But for right now, that's how you get it back on there. It seems to be working. All right, clean that up. Call it for now. Gives this a 5-star rating, thumbs up. Put the link in the description, as I said before. Like, follow, comment, subscribe. And until we meet again, you have a good day. Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE out.
Your friendly Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE spokespuppy here again. I want to thank you for watching another Uniquely-DOUBLEBEE video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Now go on to more of our videos. Shoo, chillax, or skedaddle. Rough, rough.